Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make sticker on iPhone iOS 26. So at first open your settings, general, software update, okay, and you just update your iOS 26. I'm already updated my iOS 26 and open settings, Apple Intelligent and Siri. Make sure to turn on this and select any photo that you wanna create sticker. Like I'm select this photo, so just long press in this image, okay, then you get add sticker option, press on, and now add this sticker. If you want to add an effect, okay, showing it to more effect, select on, and now it's set up. And I'm use this, like I'm open my message apps, okay, click on to plus option, then I'm get sticker option, okay. So look here, now I'm recently create this sticker, okay, and you just send it. So that's it.